Hi, this is Bill from Water to Gas Hawaii, and I wanted to show some of the new developments that we're working on. This is our standard 50 amp unit. Basically, we've got everything inside the box, as you can see here. We're now hooking it up with 5 wires instead of the 4. So I'm going to show you what happens when you give yourself too much current, and it starts to bring the voltage down, which would be a dangerous situation in your automobile. So I'm going to go ahead and crank this up, and I'll just go ahead and crank it all up. You can see our cell over here is starting to produce. Okay, and that sound you hear, that's the you can see the relay here is what's clicking. What that means, and it almost sounds like a buzzer, but what's actually happening is the relay is fluttering up and down like that and going on and off. And what that usually means is that your voltage level has dropped to the point where it's shutting off and then turning back on. So there's 2 ways to resolve that. The first one is to turn the current down. So you turn your current down a little bit until you find a spot where it's not going to be making that noise. Okay. And that would be one way to resolve it. Another way to resolve it, you turn this all the way up and it's fluttering again. You just go ahead and turn your voltage switch just a little bit up. Now, this all really depends on the voltage. So if your voltage is dropping below 12 volts, and especially if it's getting down around 9 volts, you want to back your current down, because you don't want to overload your alternator. That's the whole purpose of this circuit, is to prevent your alternator from being destroyed, so or burned out. So basically, this is how your control unit here works, and this is the new way we're doing things. Is we're building a separate module that will go and sit inside the vehicle, inside the hood. This goes to the ground to the cell. This is the ground to the battery. This is the battery, goes straight to the battery. This one goes to the cell, and that's how you get your connections. And thank you very much.